Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. In this video, which is about how do I download Instagram Reels in 2023 of update app of Instagram. To download Reel, here are the steps you need to follow step by step, fully guide of you. So first of all, you open the app store and you check Instagram will be update your mobile, and then open the Instagram app and then click on share it, and then scroll up and then share, and then scroll up and then click on yes, download, and wait a few seconds, and here is given up time, and then is a download, and then allow once, and you will be allow always, not issue, not problem in your iPhone. I will also once, and then few seconds, and then will be again asked for your permission, allow once, and then few seconds waiting, and then allow once, and then allow once, and here is the download on your iPhone, and go to gallery and then check, and here is the video download in your iPhone. Okay, you will be problem is your solved. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know if you have any problem, so let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Do not forget my YouTube channel, subscribe and share the end bell icon, the button, and for more latest video.